It's not just the flavor that makes strawberry ice cream so special. It's also the memories that come with it. For many people, strawberry ice cream is associated with happy times spent with friends and family. It's a nostalgic treat that brings back warm memories of summers past. Sunrise is a time of day where the world is so fresh and new. Everything looks different, and it's a time to reflect on the past day and set goals for the coming one. It's so inspiring to see the sun come up and light up the sky, especially when you're feeling down. Sunrise is a reminder that there's always something to look forward to. Going to a restaurant with friends is one of the most wonderful things on earth. It's always a great time. And it's always inspirational to see how happy everyone is. Friends bring out the best in each other. And that's definitely true when it comes to eating out. There's nothing better than enjoying great food and company.